Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about different community places around us. Each place is special and helps people in daily life. Let's start exploring.
School. School. School, a place where children go to learn.
Yay!
Hospital. Hospital. Hospital, a place where doctors treat sick people.
Yay!
Library. Library. Library, a place where we read and borrow books.
Yay!
Police station. Police station. Police station, a place where police keep us safe.
Yay!
Fire station. Fire station. Fire station, a place where firefighters work.
Yay!
Post office. Post office. Post office, a place to send and receive mail.
Yay!
Grocery store. Grocery store. Grocery store, a place to buy food and daily items.
Yay!
Bakery. Bakery. Bakery, a place where bread and cakes are made.
Yay!
Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Pharmacy, a place to buy medicines.
Yay!
Bus station. Bus station. Bus station, a place where buses stop.
Yay!
Train station. Train station. Train station, a place where trains arrive and leave.
Yay!
Airport. Airport. Airport, a place where airplanes take off and land.
Yay!
Restaurant. Restaurant. Restaurant, a place to eat food.
Yay!
Ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor, a place to enjoy ice cream.
Yay!
Laundry shop. Laundry shop. Laundry shop, a place to wash and clean clothes.
Yay!
Market. Market. Market, a place to buy and sell goods.
Yay!
Toy shop. Toy shop. Toy shop, a place to buy toys.
Yay!
Clothing store. Clothing store. Clothing store, a place to buy clothes.
Yay!
Barber shop. Barber shop. Barber shop, a place to cut hair.
Yay!
Park. Park. Park, a place to play and relax.
Yay!
Zoo. Zoo. Zoo, a place to see animals.
Yay!
Museum. Museum. Museum, a place to see old and special things.
Yay!
Cinema. Cinema. Cinema, a place to watch movies.
Yay!
Stadium. Stadium. Stadium, a place to watch sports.
Yay!
Temple. Temple. Temple, a place where people pray.
Yay!
Mosque. Mosque. Mosque, a place where Muslims pray.
Yay!
Church. Church. Church, a place where Christians pray.
Yay!
Playground. Playground. Playground, a place where children play.
Yay!
Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Swimming pool, a place to swim.
Yay!
Garage. Garage. Garage, a place to fix cars.
Yay!
Great job, kids! Now you know 30 community places and their uses. Look around your town and see how many of these places you can find.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.